Okay, Dave, what you got here?
We are putting cilantro into some of our ingredients that we're going to do for the sauce and for the meat in the tamales. And then I also like to use the stems to put in the stock. You know, you never want to waste anything.
Right, so what goes in the stock? Tell me.
Stock is basically your chicken and onion and celery, carrots, basically a mirepoix, and some Spanish spices.
So basically, a stock can be anything, like anything you want to put in the kitchen left over out of the fridge kind of thing. But, right, if you wanted it to be that way, or am I wrong? Or is that kind of a soup mentality? Or vegetables like out of the refrigerator?
A stock is extracting flavors from what you put in and letting it transfer into the water.
Okay.
So today we're doing a chicken stock, which consists of chicken, of course, and whatever other ingredient you want to put in it.
Right.
To give it flavor.
So we got some beautiful
cooking
cilantro.
is all about layering flavors, okay?
Right. And we got some beautiful cilantro here.
And so we're going to take, and some people like cilantro and some people don't. In our family, we love it. So
it's going
to get included in pretty much whatever we cook.
Good. It's a very good detox from what I hear. It's good for your body.
So
anything green usually is.
Take the stems and take those and we just put them in the stock. Let them cook down.
There you go.
And that just builds flavor, and we're pretty much done. We're going to be letting this cool off, and then we're going to shred the meat and strain all the veggies and everything else. And then we'll get that done, and then we'll make masa, and we'll show you how to do that. And then once you get all that done, then we're going to be making tamales, showing you how to do that. And tamales are a lot of work, okay, guys? It's normally done around holiday season when you have a lot of family over, so you can put them to work. You can get them one person to do this and one person to do that.
You can have a tamale party.
You know, so
have a tamale party like you do making Christmas cookies. That way, you can have a lot of hands making it. So always remember that. Invite your family and friends over and say, let's have a tamale party.
Cooking is about family, okay? In my house, it's always the way it was. And I try to carry over to in our house now. You know, my mother, God bless her soul, she would never eat tamale. But she taught me a lot of things about cooking and what is transferred over to my life. So, anyway, we'll be back in a minute.
Okay, Dave, now what you doing?
Cutting up ingredients for sauce for the tamales. We got some tomatillos, we got a little onion, bell pepper, and I'm fixing to saute all this down. And we add a little flour, make a little roux to it, and thicken it out with chicken stock. And then
what's the most important ingredient?
Green chili. Okay, we're back. We have our, we're fixing to assemble the tamales. We got our Masa, which we got 6 cups of Masa flour, 3 cups of chicken stock warmed, and tablespoon of salt, and you combine it all together and you get this nice Masa. The chicken is what we're going to stuff it with, which is just the chicken that we boiled the stock for, just shredded up, and then I cut some onions, bell pepper, green chili. When the green chili is roasted, okay, we get the whole pods during the time when they're harvesting all the chilies, and then we roast them, and then we put them in little bags and save it for the year, so we have enough for the whole year because we're chili heads. Anyway, you're going to take some of this mozzarella right here, and you're going to plop it onto the shell or the corn husk. It just kind of gets you a nice little thin layer. If it doesn't reach all the way to the top, it's not a big deal. Just don't go too far to the bottom because that's the part that's going to fold up. Okay, you don't want it going all the way down. Okay, then we take a generous scoop of our chicken mixture. We put that in here. And then you don't roll it, you kind of fold it, okay? We're gonna fold it one way and then fold it the other way, okay? And if you don't have enough mozzarella on the top, you can always plop a little bit here, fold some down, seal it up, and then fold it over, fold the tail up like that. Okay, and then we take our little ties that we made earlier and we tie it up again. So it kind of helps it from that tail flopping, and once you put it in the pot, it kind of helps everything stay together. Plus it makes it pretty.
And we also have, it's really, all right, we got a finished product. Aren't you proud of us?